In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove YouTube Shorts. After you've uploaded a YouTube short, later you want to remove it. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. In your YouTube app, navigate to the top where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then on this interface, proceed to tap on your channel. Then on this interface, you have the option to manage videos. Proceed to tap on manage videos. So this will land you on an interface like this with all the list of videos that you have. Up and above, you see short. Proceed to tap on it, and there you are. You have the list of all the shorts that you currently have on your channel. In order for you to remove any of them, all you have to do is to locate the three dots beside it and tap on it, and then continue to tap on delete, and that's it. You have successfully removed shorts from YouTube. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.